So first one is not great news. I remember watching Lime Tree Lane. What a nice little show it was. But that gentleman, Mr. Clive Duncan, unfortunately passed away. They said battling cancer for some time. Young man. I think he played the police officer, did he?
57?
Yeah.
Played Master Rapos. Wow.
Yeah. Wasn't he a police officer on Lime Tree?
Master Rapos?
It wasn't?
I think he was up.
He was not police officer? I'm asking. For some reason I thought he was. We'll miss his immense talent, but most of all his warm and generous spirits. Sleep well, Clive, says Dahlia. Dahlia tweeted that, so she would have, I'm sure, known him very, very well. And he was also in, what is it called?
Royal Palm.
Royal Palm. He was also in Royal Palm, I think. So, condolences to his family, his friends, and the theatre community. So rest in peace, sir.
Oh boy. All right, sugar workers fear the Appleton factory closure. The company is racking up losses, and so their job drift is there. The community is dependent on the Appleton Estate Sugar Factory in Silo, St. Elizabeth, are facing an uncertain future following news that the J. Ray and Nephew Limited-owned facility will end production of the sweetener because of the heavy losses during the 2019 to 2020 crop year. The company has pointed to sustained losses in sugar production and the impact, of course, of Corona, which has resulted in the closure of bars and other routes to market on its bottom line. However, executives of the St. Elizabeth chapter of the All-Island Jamaica Cane Farmers Association, who represent more than 300 suppliers of raw material to the factory, said that they were advised in a meeting on Wednesday that the factory was closing and that the company would subsidize the transportation of cane to Froome Estate in Westmoreland. That should happen, says Alan Rickards. Is it? Or is this Rupert? For the Reverend Rupert Matheson, pastor of the Glad Tidings Church of the Firstborn in Silo, he says speculation has been swirling for several days and it sent jitters throughout the communities. If that should happen, it would be devastating for many families who are already finding it challenging to survive due to the COVID-19 pandemic. So we pray that it's not true. However, Alan Rickards, who is the immediate past president of the AIJ-CFA, said the imminent closure was confirmed to him by a government official.
Wow.
Not good.
No, certainly
all.
not good. All right, we move on. The Honourable Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. Chris Tufton, he described yesterday, well, he didn't describe yesterday. Yesterday, he described as vile, filthy, and scandalous allegations being circulated on social media about him, and said the matter has been referred to the police and his attorneys. Now, you heard the opposition spokesman on health, Dr. Maurice Guy, said Dr. Tufton needed to answer the allegations which hint at ties with the company and the COVID-19 advertising campaign. He said the minister should clarify the nature of the relationship between himself, the principal of the company, and any contracts between the ministry and the company. So Dr. Tufton has suggested that the company has done a really great job, and he's actually happy to work with them.
Mm-hmm. Oh boy.
Yeah.
It says these disgusting, vicious, and false attributions made under the cover of social media have caused great pain and suffering, and are clearly aimed at damaging my career as well as causing emotional distress. This matter has been reported to the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Division, CTOC. I've also instructed my attorneys to use all available legal steps to ensure the prosecution of these cyber criminals, and in any event to seek recourse in the civil courts as and when their identities are ascertained.
More and none.
Yeah.
All right. Mrs. Fraser Price, four-time 100-meter world champion, says she's excited about advocating for change in track and field as a founding board member of a newly created athletics association. There you go.
So what is that body going to do? Advocate for regional athletes?
Yeah, I think they just want to ensure that, It says the creation of the union was in response to the changes to the 2020 Diamond League format announced last year by World Athletics, which saw the removal of specific disciplines from the Diamond League final, such as the 200, the 3,000 meter steeplechase, the discus, and the triple jump. And multi-Olympic and world triple jump champion Christian Taylor, he will serve as the group's first president. He says that the association will be the vehicle to ensure that World Athletics honors what it says it is its commitment to putting athletes first.
And what's the last one then, Bev?
I think that's it.
No,
There's another one around here. Oh, attorney charged with fraud in gas station sale, it says. This was in the newspaper yesterday. Attorney at law Peter Asher was yesterday slapped with a slew of fraud-related charges, it says, in relation to, what is it, disputatious sale of several service stations by National Fuels and Lubricants. He was charged by detectives. The police said the charges include forgery, conspiracy to forge National Lubricants and Fuels Limited Company's seal, 7 counts of instrument of transfers, and 7 counts of causing property to be transferred by means of forged documents. There you go. The claim was now valued, it says, at more than $4 billion. Wow. That's plenty of money. And that's not Mr. Asher, by the way, not as far as I know. I think that's, well, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. All right, that's it for the hot topics. What's up?
There's no shortage of news, eh?
Yeah.
My word.
But you know, even though we have to deal with the current things that's happening, we still would have liked the Smile Jamaica just have some fun topics and then make news deal with these things. I know we kind of have to deal with it, but
What a fun topic.
a lot of what we say come back in news later on, so I don't know.
But we have to be plugged into what is happening in the news
Yeah,
landscape.
well, give me a fun topic then.
I'm going to give you one.
Give me a fun. Quick, come on.
Kim.
Quick. Page 2, no fun yet. Page 3, still no
Oh
fun.
my God.
We're on to page 4. Must find something fun. Hold on, you want me to find something fun?
Entertainment. The
Sports.
crossword you're going to do?
Sports.
Oh, Sakina. 5 questions with Sakina. This is
Oh,
fun.
that is fun.
Yay.
She called my name?
Asunzalo.
Sure. Ooh.
No.
In the meantime, I'll tell you the score. She don't call my name?
No.
So why are you even reading it?
True, but that's why I'm reading it, because she don't call it.
Okay.
That is an incentive.
235 for 3. When I get them money, man, one of them man is supposed to reach 100. Well, Sibley's on 96. And Stokes' wife's absolutely scared of him on 84. So,
Let's celebrate Jamaica as the theme for Independence 2020. That's good.
yeah. What else?
Savannah sends music
To Senegal.
from Senegal to Jamaica.
That is
Savannah
fun.
tracks love.
That is fun.
It's light and nice.
Some of me like the shoes there.
You like my shoe?
I love it.
Thank you.
You look new.
It doesn't.
Me just want to tell you, because
What if it were? You're going to-
want a new one.
Yeah, well,
That's
clearly,
why-
those
that's why I
claps,
made it
you
one
look
tell
like
you.
a toothbrush them before you catch on.
Yeah.
Do you
No,
know my shoe?
that's new. It's pretty
It's
though.
not
It's
new.
nice.
They're Clarks. They're very comfy.
They're Clarks? Telling you just no stop follow me now. Show me I wear Clarks, you have to wear Clarks.
Wait, you are wearing Clarks.
I am, I just said it. Are you here? Hello?
In Badi.
I first me wear it.
So come and make your Clarks meet my Clarks. then.
We can social
Okay.
touch distance foot business. That can work?
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, there you go.
This is fun.
That's a Clarks?
It are.
Yeah. All right, folks, we did say the show done earlier and we were joking, but we're going for
Look
two
how we
now.
look careless on people on TV. Never
No,
get it
speak
together.
for yourself,
Seriously.
please. I am not careless. Look how I stand up
Just
nice
get
and
it together.
take a
Fix
picture,
my
please.
posture.
Well on, Richard.
We're doing well today.
Richard, give me a shot. Let them take a picture. Richard, go. All right, now look over, so. I like prepare. Yeah. Take a
Or is
picture.
that one shot?
a
Because
picture.
you're alone doing the show. All
No,
right.
I said
no,
take a
dating.
shot. No, because nobody not there to take
No,
the...
dating, brother.
Alright.
Dating.
All right. Hold on now, Richard. We'll give you another shot. Wait, no. Marvin, your time. Oh, we are social distance the shot, yeah. Take a next shot.
Go on, take the shot.
Yeah, no is a good shot now, because it's me one in the place. News in 5 when we come back, folks, and then you'll see us Monday. We will come.